Good morning children. Today we are going to exercise 9.2 page 9.11 from RD. First I am going to third sum. 7y plus 2 by 5 is equal to 6y minus 5 by 11. So 7y plus 2 divided by 5 is equal to 6y minus 5 divided by 11. So divided by 11 when it goes to opposite side becomes multiplication. Divided by 5 when it goes to opposite side becomes multiplication, isn't it? So instead of doing all this, directly you can go for cross multiplication. That means 7y plus 2 multiplied by 11, 6y minus 5 multiplied by 5. So 11 into 7y plus 2 is equal to 5 into 6y minus 5. Now solve this. How to solve? First remove this bracket. 7y plus 2 must be multiplied by 11. 11 sevens are 77y plus 11 twos are 22 is equal to 5 6 are 30y plus into 5 plus into minus is minus 5 5s are 25. Now normal form you got transpose. 77y minus 30y is equal to minus 25 you have in RHS, keep as it is, and from LHS plus 22 is coming, it becomes minus 22. So 77y minus 30y is how much? 7 minus 3 is 4. 47y is equal to minus 47. 77y minus 30y is 47y. Minus 25 minus 22 is minus 47. Therefore, y is equal to how much? Minus 47 by 47. That is equal to minus 1. So, y is equal to minus 1. Now, we will go to verification. You are asked to solve and check. So LHS, what do you have? LHS, you have 7y plus 2 by 5. Substitute y is equal to 1. So 7 into minus 1 plus 2 by 5. This is equal to how much? 7 into minus 1 is minus 7 plus 2 by 5. That is equal to minus 5 by 5, which is equals to minus 1. So LHS 7y plus 2 by 5. In this, if you substitute y is equal to minus 1, you got minus 1. Now RHS, what is given? 6y minus 5 by 11. Y is equal to minus 1. So 6 into minus 1 minus 5 by 11. 6 into minus 1 is minus 6 minus 5 by 11. Minus 6 minus 5 is minus 11. So this is equal to minus 1. LHS you got minus 1. RHS also you got minus 1. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Hence it is verified. Now I will go to sixth sum. 3 by 4x plus 4x is equal to 7 by 8 plus 6x minus 6. 3 by 4x plus 4x is equal to 7 by 8 plus 6x minus 6. Now in LHS you have variable x and x. In RHS you have constant, variable and constant. So now you have to separate these constants and variables. So this variable will come to LHS. In LHS what do you have already? 3 by 4x. 3 by 4 into x becomes 3x by 4 plus 4x. From RHS plus 6x is coming, so it becomes minus 6x is equal to, in RHS you have 7 by 8 minus 6. Nothing I did. Just this variable I brought to LHS. So 3 by 4x becomes 3 into x. 3x by 4 plus 4x plus 6x is coming from opposite side. So it became minus 6x is equal to 7 by 8 minus 6. Now simplify this. 3x by 4 plus 4x minus 2x becomes, sorry, plus 4x minus 6x. 6 minus 4 becomes 2. So minus 2x is equal to 7 by 8 minus 6. Both sides you need to simplify. 4 is LCM. So 3x. 1 4s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8x is equal to, 8 is LCM here. 7 minus 8 6 are 48. So 3x minus 5x, 3x minus 8x is how much? Minus 5x by 4 is equal to 48 minus 7 is 1 4 minus 41 by 8. Clear? So here 4 is LCM. 4 1s are 4. 1 into 3 is 3. 1 4s are 4. 4 2s are 8. RHS LCM is 8. 8 1s are 8. 1 7s are 7. 1 8s are 8. 8 6 are 48. Now 3x minus 8x. 8 minus 3 is 5. So minus 5x by 4 is equal to 48 minus 7 is 41. Minus 41 by 8. Now cross multiply. That is minus 5x into 8. Minus 5x into 8 is equal to minus 41 into 4. Or this directly you can do. This divided by, when it going to opposite side, becomes multiplication. So directly you can do in this way also. Minus 5x is equal to minus 41 into 4 by 8. So this is divided by going to opposite side. It becomes multiplication. Instead of doing cross multiplication, you can do in this way. So minus 41 into 4 by 8 becomes 4 1s are 4 2s are. Minus 5x is equal to minus 41 by 2. So minus 41 by 2. Minus minus gets cancelled. Both sides you are having. This 5 will go to opposite side now. This is into. When it is going to opposite side becomes divided by. So therefore x is equal to what? 41 by 2 you are having in RHS. From LHS 5 is coming. This is into divided by. So by 5. Therefore x is equal to 41 by 10. X value you got 41 by 10. Now let us go to verification. LHS what is given? 3x by 4 plus 4x. LHS you are given 3x by 4 plus 4x. So 41 by 10 you got. 3 into 41 by 4 into 10 plus 4 into 41 by 10. 3 into x. 3 into x is 41 by 10. Already you have 4 here. So 4 into 10. Now this becomes what? 3 1s are 3. 3 4s are 12. 123 by 40 plus you can simplify or directly 4 1s are 4. 4 4s are 16. 10. Here I have not simplified. Again you need to find the LCM. So directly I have taken 10. 123 plus 10 4s are 40. 164 into 4 is how much? 4 6 are 24, 25, 4 5 6 plus 656. So this is 123 by 40 plus this is 164 by 10. 40 is LCM. 123 plus 10 4s are for 164 into 4 is 656. So this is equal to how much? 9. 5 plus 2 is 7. 779 by 40. LHS you got 779 by 40. So RHS also you should get 779 by 40. So RHS what is given? RHS 7 by 8 plus 6x minus 6. RHS you are given 7 by 8 plus 6x minus 6. So 7 by 8 plus 6 into 41 by 10 minus 6. 7 by 8 plus, this is 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24 by 10 minus 6 by 1. 10 is LCM, or you can simplify here also. How 10 is LCM? 10 8s are 40. LCM of 10 and 8 you can do in your own way. So 8 5s are 40, 10 4s are 40 you will get. So 8 5s are 40, 5 7s are 35, 10 4s are 246 into 4. 4 6 are 24, 4 4s are 16, 17, 18, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 is 9. 984 minus 240. This is equal to 984 plus 35 is how much? 91029. These two are positives. Add, you will get 1029 minus 240 is 12 minus 4 is, this is 8 9 10 11. 11 minus 4 is 7. So 779 by 40. 35 plus 984. These two are positives. So when you add, you will get 1019 minus 240 gives you 779 by 40. So LHS how much we got? 779 by 40. RHS also you got 779 by 40. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Hence it is verified. Now next sum is seventh sum. 7 by 2x minus 5 by 2x is equal to 20x by 3, 20 by 3x plus 10. 7 by 2x minus 5 by 2x is equal to 20 by 3x plus 10. So as usual this x term will come to left side. 7 by 2 into x becomes 7x by 2 minus 5x by 2. This is coming plus, so minus becomes 20x by 3 is equal to 10. This simplification, all the three at a time you can simplify, or these two are same denominators, they are having same denominator. So 7 minus 5 is 2x. 2x by 2 you will get minus 20x by 3. This also you can cancel. So you will get x minus 20x by 3 is equal to 10. Now LCM is 3. So 3x minus 20x is equal to 10. 3x minus 20x is equal to 10. So minus 17x is equal to 3x minus 20x is how much? Minus 17x is equal to, this is divided by into 10 into 3. So minus 17x is equal to 10 3s are 30. Therefore x is equal to minus 30 by 17. X is equal to minus 30 by 17. 7 by 2x minus 5 by 2x is equal to 20 by 3x plus 10. This is coming to opposite side. 7 by 2 into x becomes 7x by 2. 5 by 2 into x, 5x by 2 minus, this is plus minus, it becomes 20x by 3 is equal to 10. So these two are like numbers we can say because same denominators. 7x minus 5x is 2x. 2 gets cancelled, x is left over. This is 20x by 3. LCM is 3. 1 3s are 3. 3 into x is 3x minus 20x is equal to 10. 3x minus 20x is minus 17x. Minus 17x is equal to, this is divided by going to opposite side becomes multiplication. 10 into 3. Therefore, x is equal to minus 30 by 17. Now we'll go to verification. LHS 7 by 2, that is 7x by 2 minus 5x by 2. We got x is equal to minus 30 by 17. So 7 into minus 30 by 17 into 2, because 7x by 2 is given, minus 5x minus 30 by 2 into 17. I am not simplifying, okay, you will get 34 anyhow you can do. 2 ones are 2 15s are. Minus 15 into 7 is 7 5s are 35, minus 105 by 17, minus of, this is also 15 times 15 5s are 75, minus 75 by 17. So this becomes what? Minus 105. Minus into minus becomes plus 75 by 17. Minus 105 by minus 105 plus 75 by 17 becomes how much? 105 minus this is 0 3 minus 30 by 17. Minus 30 by 17 LHS. So here this is 7x by 2 minus 5x by 2. 7 into minus 30 by 17 into 2. 2 15 times it's going, minus 105 by 17. This is 5x by 2. 5 into minus 30 by 2 into 17. 2 is going 15 times. 15 5 is 75. Minus 75. Minus of minus becomes plus. So minus 105 plus 75 is minus 30 by 17. Now we'll substitute x is equal to minus 30 by 17 in LHS. RHS. RHS what is given? 20x by 3 plus 10. 20x by 3 plus 10. X is equal to, we got minus 30 by 17 plus 10 by 1. So this is going 10 times. 3 times are 30. 20 into minus 10 is minus 200. Minus 200 by 17 plus 10. LCM is 17. 17 ones are. So minus 200 plus 117s are. 17 into 10 is 170. Minus 200 plus 170. 200 minus 170 is 30. So minus 30 by 17. LHS how much we got? Minus 30 by 17. RHS also we got minus 30 by 17. Hence it is verified. Next I will go to 11th sum. 3x by 4 minus x minus 1 by 2 is equal to x minus 2 by 3. This is the given question. 3x by 4 minus x minus 1 by 2 is equal to x minus 2 by 3. So this will come to LHS. LHS you have 3x by 4 minus of x minus 1 by 2 as it is. This is coming from RHS. Plus becomes minus. Minus x minus 2 by 3. Nothing is here. So becomes 0. Now LCM is what? LCM becomes 12. 4, 2, 3. LCM is 12. So 4 3s are. 3 into 3 is 9. 9x minus 2 6 are 12. 6 into x minus 1. 2 is going here 6 times. 6 into numerator is x minus 1. Minus, this is how many times it's going? 3 4s are 12. 4 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is 9x. Minus into plus becomes minus. 6 into x is 6x. Minus into minus becomes plus. 6 ones are 6. minus 4x, minus into minus becomes plus, 4 2s are 8 by 12 is equal to 0. Now you can simplify like terms. 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 minus 4 is minus x you will get. So, or minus 6 plus minus 4x is minus 10x. 9x minus 10x is 9x minus 10x, and plus 6 plus 8 is plus 14 by 12 is equal to 0. 9x minus 10x is minus x plus 14 is equal to, this is going to opposite side. 12 into 0 becomes 0. 12 zeros are 0. So, x is equal to how much? Minus x is equal to, plus 14 is going that side, becomes minus 14. So, minus minus gets cancelled. Therefore, x is equal to 14. X is equal to 14. Now, verification. LHS, what is given? 3x by 4 minus x minus 1 by 2. X is equal to 14 we got. 3 into 14 by 4 minus 14 minus 1 by 2. 3x by 4 minus x minus 1 by 2. So this is 2 2s are 2 7s are. So 7 3s are 21 by 2 minus this is 13 by 2. 21 minus same denominator. So 21 minus 13 is how much? 8. 8 by 2 is equal to 4. LHS how much we got? 4. So RHS what is given? RHS is x minus 2 by 3. X minus 2 by 3. X is equal to how much? 14. 14 minus 2 by 3. 14 minus 2 is 12. 12 by 3. 3 1s are, 3 4s are. So, LHS how much we got? 4. RHS also we got 4. Hence it is verified. So, first we have solved the given linear equation. We got x is equal to 14. To check, we have substituted x value in LHS and RHS. We got LHS 4 and RHS also 4. So, today's homework is exercise 9.2, 2-3 sums you have to do in your RD notes. RD classwork and homework, only one book.